Hello, my name is Nitasha, and I'm doing my presentation on Shaun. Shaun, we know that you're an Insanity workout leader. You do tons of exercises, and that your shirts need to be flexible. We also know that it needs to be lightweight, good-looking, and breathable. With that in mind, we know that there's some requirements that we have to meet. The biggest one is we're competing against Bangladesh, so our shirt needs to be personally the best. We also know that it has to be under $50,000, and that it has to be, again, lightweight, breathable, good-looking, and flexible. With that in mind, we also know that there's properties that we meet with your shirt, chemical and physical properties. Chemical properties such as oxidation and hydrolysis. Hard word. Hydrolysis is your shirt needs to not be able to react with water. So that means if you start sweating, we don't want your shirt to dissolve. Oxidation meaning the oxygen in the air, we don't want your shirt to be funky with it. We need your shirt to react with the oxygen. And then physical properties such as the elasticity. We know that you're doing hard workouts, that means we need your shirt to be elastic, move with your muscles, work with your body. We know that the biggest physical properties of interest is flexibility, and that's our main focus for you. With that in mind, we can consider what ways to make your shirt out of. We could make it out of metal, polymers, wood fibers, or ceramics. We know that your first priority is tensile strength and elasticity. Your second priority is melting point and hardness. We know that if we look at the graph, tensile strength and elasticity are lowest in polymer and wood fibers. Those two have the most in common, but we chose polymers because it's one, it's good for your shirt, and two, because polymer is durable and it's made out of DNA, plastic, anything from silly putty, rubber. And this is good for your shirt because not only is polyester an element of polymer, but it also is durable, resistant to most chemicals, stretches and shrinks, and washable and dryable. Also, polyester is hydrophobic. Hydrophobic means molecules are nonpolar and repel from water. Also, hydrophobic nature means it's good for clothes in the nature, quick drying, quick washing, anything that you need for a normal shirt that you're going to use over and over. Right here is what polyester looks like. Polyester retains its shape, is soft, isn't also itchy if you make it the right way, and we're going to make it the right way for you. Also, it's washable and dryable. Again, you're going to be sweating in it, so you need to wash it. So we also know that polyester is not only a broad topic, but we have to narrow it down. But we know that polyester is made up of covalent bonding, which is carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. And we also know that elasticity is our main focus. It's our main focus because, again, this shirt needs to work with you. Also, the polyester formula is very long, so we had to condense it, so we used N for the repeating formulas. So for our model here is what elasticity would look like for polyester when it's all bunched up together. And elasticity means we want to stretch it. So on this side is where elasticity is polyester is being stretched out. And here is the electron clouds, and then the atoms. And this is just a part of polyester because polyester is very long. In the next slide, you see that the chemical formula polyester. Polyester, again, is a very long formula, so we substitute N for where it can repeat multiple times. We also know that it contains carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. And the next slide is the Lewis structure of a specific polyester, which is polyonitrile. And polyonitrile is a monomer, and a monomer is a molecule that bonds with chemical molecules to form a polymer. And that's why polyacrylonitrile, another hard word, is a polymer. And not only does it repeat itself, the carbon, nitrogen, it has multiple bonds. So we drew it with the bonds and then an extra 2 bonds over near nitrogen because it has 5. We also know that those repeat multiple times, so we have to draw it where it repeats. And we also circled the part where it repeats. Lastly, we know that your shirt needs to be good looking, flexible, lightweight, and breathable. We met those requirements and we'll try to make the best shirt for you, but we considered all the requirements and we hope that you choose our shirt. Thank you.